Morning children, welcome to my channel Shishi Thakur. Today's topic, chapter number 7, Vishwas Naiva Kartavya. One has not to believe. Vishwas means faith or belief. Naiva Kartavya should not be done. I mean, we should not believe in the unknown person. Vishwas Naiva Kartavya. One should not believe. Okay? Now, this story partially we have completed. Then remaining part of the translation we will discuss, as well as some questions also we will discuss if possible. Otherwise, in the next session we will discuss question answer. Okay. So let's proceed the discussion. So before I proceed to discuss the translation, it's my request to all of you to subscribe to my channel. There is a red button downside while watching the video. Please push that button. Please hit that button. My channel will be subscribed. Why I am saying repeatedly? Because during exam, if people are demanding, sir, please send that video, send that PDF. And children, you know, nowadays online, everything online is going on. Now device has limited capacity, not the beyond limitation. So it is very difficult to preserve all the videos or all the data. So it's my honest request to all of you to subscribe to my channel so that you will get notification for the upcoming videos. Then you will get answers immediately as soon as I upload the video. Okay. Okay. Then it will be easy to you. So subscribe to my channel. Then we will discuss the remaining story. When that fox made the child of the goat, he told, your mother is searching there, your mother is waiting for you, please come with me. Then that child of the goat was ready to go with him. Okay. Then from there we will start. Aja Sishu Srugalena Sah Gachati. Aja Sishu, the baby of the, Aja means goat. Srugalena Sah Gachati, goes with the fox. The baby of the goat goes with the fox. Tasmin Ksane, at that moment, Aja agachati. Aja means that goat comes. At that time, goat comes. Soputrena saha vanchakam srugalam drushtva vadati. Soputrena saha, along with her own child. Vanchakam srugalam drushtva. Vanchak means cunning. Srugalam means fox. Drushtva, on seeing. On seeing the cunning fox, vadati means speaks. Along with the cunning fox, on seeing her young one or child, she speaks. Putra, O child, O son, Bhavan etena sa kutra gachati. Bhavan means you. When you speak something with respect in Sanskrit, we use the word Bhavan. Bhavana etena sa kutra gachati. Where are you going along with this one? Etena sa, along with him. Kutra gachasi, where are you going? Okay. I repeat the sentence. Soputrena sa vanchakam srugalam drushtva. On seeing her own young one, own child, along with the cunning fox, she speaks, O son, where are you going along with him? Asya vishwasa na kartavya. You should not believe in him. We should not believe in him. Okay? Same thing I have written, because you know the child is innocent, he was trying to go, but mother knows who is to be believed and who is not to be believed. So she came and she denied and she refused to go with him. Okay. This translation there, you can put pause and watch it here. Otherwise, I am going to provide you PDF file also. Okay. Let's proceed for further paragraph. Sishu matu samipam gachati dhavati. Sishu means the child. Matu samipam. Here you say samipam means near. Matu samipam, near the mother. Gachati means dhavati means runs. The baby runs towards her mother. Sishu mukhad ghatanam shrutva aja krudhyati. Sishu mukhad, from the mouth of child. Ghatanam shrutva, on hearing the incident from the baby or from the mouth of baby, aja krudhyati, the goat gets angry. On hearing the incident from the mouth of goat, from the mouth of baby of the goat, that the goat gets angry. Aja srugalam praharati. Aja means goat. Praharati beats. The goat beats the fox. Aja means goat, Srugal means fox, Praharati means beats. The goat beats the fox. Srugala palayate, the fox runs away. Okay? So you understand this concept? Translation is here in front of you, and you can put pause in the video, you can check it out, otherwise you can read from the PDF. But understand the concept clearly. I repeat, Sisuhu Matu Sambibam Gachati, the baby goes near her mother or goes to her, runs. Dhavati means runs. Okay, not goes. Okay. The baby goes towards, runs towards her mother. Shishu Mukhat Ghatanam Srutva Aja Krudvati. On hearing the incident from the mouth of baby of the goat, from her baby, the goat gets angry. Aja Srugalam Praharati, the goat beats the fox. Srugal Palayate, fox runs away. Okay. Now last paragraph. Aja Shishum Badati. Aja means goat. Goat speaks to her own child. Putra, O son, my dear. अपरिचितस्य उपरि कदापि विश्वास नैव कर्तव्य. We should not believe on any unknown person. Putra, अपरिचित, unknown, who is not known to us. Upari, on her or on him. Kadapi, never. विश्वास कर्तव्य, should believe. We should never believe any unknown person, or we should never rely on any unknown person or unknown thing. No maitri kartavya, neither we should make friendship with her also or him. Maitri kartavya, maitri means friendship. We should neither make friendship with him or her, nor we believe him or her. Na kutrapi gamanyam, and neither we should go with him anywhere. I repeat, Aja Shishum Badati, the goat speaks to her own child. Putra, aparichitasya upari kadapi vishwas na kartavya. We should not rely on any unknown person. Na maitri kartavya, neither we should make friendship with him or her. Na kutrapi gamanam, neither we go anywhere with the person. Okay? So this paragraph also is written here, translation. You can you can pause the video, you can check it out. Otherwise, I am providing you what do you say, that PDF also, you can go through this. The story gets over here. Let us discuss some of questions, whatever possible, because we have to conduct the other classes. Okay. Now exercise. Niche na shabdanu mote thi uchcharan karo. You people are very comfortable in Gujarati, so you can read it out. Okay. And that you can translate into English. Pronounce the following words loudly. Okay. Now let me give you some idea. Only to pronounce and write in good handwriting in your notebook. Swasya, swasya, shighram, tishtatu, bismarati, khaditum, karunataya, nesyami, vanchakaha, pippala vrukshah, anvishyati, srugalena, krudhyati. I repeat. Swasya, shighram, tishtatu, bismarati, khaditum, karunataya, नेस्यामि वंचकः पिप्पलवृक्षः अन्विष्यति श्रुगालेन क्रुध्यति. Okay. Now second question we will discuss. Okay. So get ready for that, and I hope children, one more thing I am saying you frequently. So while watching the video, keep the notebook with you, so that anywhere you got any confusion, you write it down. Then you can write in the description box your doubts. You can write in comment box, so that I can solve it out. There are no people are doing. So here we see नीचेना प्रश्नना उत्तर संस्कृतमा आपो अने लखो. Answer the following question. Answer the question given below in Sanskrit, as well as write it down in your notebook. नीचेना प्रश्नना उत्तर. Answer the following questions in Sanskrit. Sanskritma apo given Sanskrit. Ane lekho, right? Okay. Answer the following question in one sentence. It's in Sanskrit and write it down. Aja kutra gachati. It is necessary to translate each and every question in English. Then it is easy to answer. Aja kutra gachati. Where does the goat go? Where does the goat go? Okay. Aja banam gachati. Here let me highlight which word to replace. Kutra. Kutra means where. So you are write vanam. In place of putra, you have write vanam. Aja vanam gacchati. Okay. Second question. Kaha roditi. Who cries or who is crying? Kaha roditi. Aja shisu. Kaha will be replaced by aja shisu. Aja shisu. Aja shisu roditi. The baby of the goat cries. No problem. Keep it. Aja shisu. Okay. Keep it here. No problem. I am recording video. Aja शिशुः रोदिति. Srugalah aja sisum. Keep it 1 plus I will arrange. Sorry, question number 3. Question number 2. Kaha roditi aja sisuhu. Okay, question number 3. Srugalah aja sisum drushtva kim ichhati. Srugalah aja sisum drushtva kim ichhati. On seeing the baby of goat, what does the fox wish or desire? On seeing the baby of goat, what does the fox desire or want to do? So, kim ichhati will be replaced by with a big word. Sukomalam mangsam khaditum ichhati. Kim, only kim, not kim ichhati. Only kim to replace by sukomalam mangsam khaditum ichhati. I repeat, kim word will be replaced by sukomalam mangsam khaditum ichhati. These words are there in textbook. I repeat, sukomalam mangsam khaditum ichhati. Only kim word to be replaced by. Please put pause button, pause the video and write the answer. Kaha vanchaka asti. Who is a deceiver? Who is a cheater? Vanchaka. Kaha vanchaka asti. Who is a cheater or who is a deceiver? That is Srugalah. So vanchak kaha will be replaced by Srugalah. Okay. So vanchaka meaning I told, and here write kaha will be replaced by Srugalah. Means fox is a cheater. Okay. Sisum mukhat ghatanam srutva aja kim karati. On hearing the incident from the mouth of fox, okay, from the baby, what does the goat do? Okay. Sisum mukhat ghatanam srutva aja krudhyati. Aja kim karati. Kim karati will be replaced by krudhyati. Krudhyati. That is there in last second paragraph. Kim karati will be replaced by krudhyati. On hearing the incident from the mouth of baby, what does goat do? Goat gets angry. Okay. So kim karati will be replaced by krudhyati. The next question. Aja sisum kim vadati. Aja sisum kim vadati. What does the goat say to her own child? Aja sisum vadati. Kim will be replaced by, only kim will be replaced by a big sentence. Putra aparichitasya upari kadapi vishwasa naiva kartava. That is extreme last sentence of the lesson. What does she say? She says, अपरिचित पुत्र अपरिचितस्य उपरि कदापि विश्वास नैव कर्तव्य. We should never rely on any unknown person. We should never trust on any unknown person. Putra kim will be replaced by putra अपरिचितस्य उपरि कदापि विश्वास नैव कर्तव्यः इति. Okay. वार्तायाः शीर्षकः कः? What is the title or what is the heading of this title? What is the title of this chapter? Varta means story, Shirshaka means title. Asti. What is the title of this story? Vishwasah Naiva Kartava. That is just the title of the lesson. Vishwasah Naiva Kartava. Okay. So this is question number 2. Okay. Let us try to discuss some more question. Question number 3. नीचे ना शब्दों ने संस्कृत भाषा में लिखो. Write the following words in Sanskrit. Okay. Luchu, if people know Gujarati, Luchu means cunning. So, cunning, write down English word first, cunning. And Pipla no jhad, people tree, P-I-P-P-A-L, people tree. Then third one, Bakri means aja, means that is goat. Tarat means quickly, immediately, or tvaritam. Then fifth question, ajano, unknown or stranger. then દોડે છે running, then મારવું beat, okay, and ભાગી જાય છે escape. So here you have to write Sanskrit words for each and every question. Luchu means cunning. That word is vanchakah. Vanchakah. I am repeating. You have to write from the text. Vanchakah. Pipadanu झाड़ पीपल टी पीपल वृक्षः पीपल वृक्षः. गोट बकरी अजा अजा. तरत quickly. Sigram sigram. All the words are there. Just put some efforts to find out. Quickly will be sigram. Ajano stranger. अपरिचितः अपरिचितः. दौड़े छे रनिंग धावती धावती धावती. मारबो प्रहरती बीटिंग प्रहरती. एस्केप भागी जाए छे पलायते पलायते पलायते. मीन्स रन्स अवे. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. નીચેના વાક્યોને ઘટના ક્રમમાં ગોઠવો. અરેન્જ ધ ફોલોઈંગ સેન્ટેન્સીસ ઇન ઓર્ડર એઝ પર ધ ઇવેન્ટ according to the textbook. Okay. So let me show you. Say children not to change the sequence of this word questions. It is one of the paper shell in board exam also nowadays. What you are supposed to do, write the sentence in as it is form, no change. Okay. So here we have to write the sequence number. Okay. Putra aham bahir gachami, that is the number 1. Here we write number 1. Srugala sisum pasyati, Srugala sisum pasyati, number 2. That is the arrange in sequence. Chinta mastu aham matu samipam nesyami, Chinta mastu, that is number 3. Then fourth one, aja sisu srugalena sa gachati, aja sisu srugalena sa gachati, it is fourth one. Okay. Fifth one, Sisu Mukhat Ghatanam Srutva Ajakrutyati. On hearing the incident from the mouth of baby, the goat gets angry. That is fifth one. And sixth one, Putra Aparichitasya Upari Kadapi Vishwasa Naiva Kartabhya. Never trust on any unknown person. Okay. So without changing the sequence number, you have to arrange the incident in order as per the textbook. That is done. Okay. Now question of fifth. What you are supposed to question NP question of it. In the lesson you started the form like karaniya, gamaniya. Okay, many means should be done. Should be done. In the same way, here some examples are given. Okay, so you have to write. Very simple. वस्तुतः पाठ में कर्तव्य गमनीय जेवा रूपनो अभ्यास करो. You have practiced a lot like the words like कर्तव्य गमनीय. આમ કરવું જોઈએ તેમ કરવું જોઈએ અથવા આમ એ અર્થમાં આવા રૂપમાં વપરાય છે. ધીઝ વર્ડ્સ આર યુઝ ઇન અ ટેક્સ્ટ બુક. ઉદાહરણમાં દર્શાવ્યા મુજબ અન્ય શબ્દની રચના કરો. મેક સમ અધર વર્ડ્સ એઝ પર ધ ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન ગિવન હિયર ઓર વર્ડ્સ ગિવન હિયર. દર્શન દર્શનીય, ગમન ગમનીય ઓર ગમનીય ઓનલી રાઇટ. પઠ પઠનીય. એન્ડ ટુ વર્ડ્સ ઇફ યુ આર સપોઝ રાઇટ દર્શન દર્શનીય એન્ડ દ્રષ્ટવ્ય. Okay. गम गमनीय गंतव्य, गमनीय गंतव्य. पठ पठनीय पठितव्य, पठितव्य. बंद वंदनीय वंदितव्य. पूज पूजनीय पूजयितव्य. Okay. So this way you have to write. Okay. More words are given. Let's not discuss. It's enough for you. Now question number 6 is ઉદાહરણ મુજબ કોષમાંના શબ્દનો ઉપયોગ કરી વાક્ય રચના કરો. Frame the sentences using the words from the bracket as shown in the example. Example, let's see. बालः रोटिकां खादितुम् इच्छति. बालः डैश डैश इच्छति. So रोटिकां खादितुम्. Say what it is done in the exercise. Let me see. The word is rotika. Here rotikam added dot. Okay. खाद खादितुम खादितुम. Please mark the word. In this way, छात्र छात्र पाठम पठितुम. If खाद खादितुम, then पठ पठितुम. छात्र पाठम dot will come पठितुम इच्छति. शिक्षकः कथां कथयितुम कथयितुम. सरला क्रीडां क्रीडितुं सरला क्रीडां क्रीडितुम् इच्छति. इच्छति word is compulsory. I am not reading. प्रणवः चित्रं रचयितुं इच्छति. I mean student wants to read the chapter. The teacher wants to say the story. Sarala wants to play. Pranav wants to draw a picture. Okay. Now question number 7. कोसमा आपेला पदीने आधारे खाली जगह पुरो. Okay. So fill in the blanks using the words given in bracket. Okay. What is there? Ekah, eka, ekam. Okay. So children, let me clarify here. On the basis of the words which comes after blank, let's see. Aswaha, aha sound is coming. So ekah. Here masculine, gender is masculine. Masculine stands for visarga. I have taught you in grammar portion. Feminine no matra, a matra or e matra for feminine. Okay. And deuter mein ending with So masculine symbol is aha. If aha sound you are finding after the word, let me show you in the question itself. Aswaha, aha. So here we have the ekah. Wherever you find balakah, then ekah. Bala, a matra, so eka. Looking at the symbol which is given after the dash, you have to write the correct word. Then mandiram ekam, then sala eka, chitram ekam. Very simple. 3 genders are used. Ekah stands for masculine, eka stands for feminine, ekam stands for neuter. Accordingly, you have to write. Very good. That's it for today's discussion. We have discussed all the questions from this chapter. Okay, if you have any queries, please contact me in the following contact address, and don't fail to contact me, and don't fail to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice time. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.